Where's the thermostat at? What's up, everybody? I'm back with another video, and today about to be a mechanic. Bexy is under the weather. She is under the weather. Oh, now they cut off. First of all, the goddamn fans came on. My fans was running. And when your fans come on, it's indicating that your car is overheating or running hot. So I looked on YouTube. They said that it could be a sensor. They said it could be a sensor, and to detach the negative part of the battery. And when I cut the car on, you know, the gauge where it say cold and hot, it's like stuck on cold like nothing. To remind you, I just came from Oakland. I live in Vallejo, so that's like a 45-minute to an hour drive. So ain't no way that my gauge should be stuck at 0. So I'm about to try to be a mechanic and figure it out instead of paying somebody to do so. So let's see if it'll work. See? Yeah, I know I need some gas. Shut your ass up. I asked for it. See the gauge? The gauge ain't moving. And you hear my fans is back on. My fans is running. So I don't know why that is happening. So I'm gonna try to disconnect the negative. You hear that? Look. Them mugs are spinning. Betsy, what is wrong with you? And I hear a little rattling there. Can somebody help me? Since I've been to church, I went back to church, and ever since I've been back to church, like something bad happened. I know this is minor, but the past 2 weeks ago, a lot of bad things have been happening to me. Since I've been back to church, the devil is upset. He is mad. God gonna fix it. I know He will. He's gonna fix all my problems. I just don't know what to do. What is going on? See? Gauge is still saying cold, and my fans is running. Help play out. Help me out. Yeah, I've been going through it, trying to stay positive through it all. Look at my roof. This roof. You know something ain't right. You know my life is just blah. Look at this. I think I deleted it, but see this guy tap into his car too. And I ain't gonna lie, this happened to me last year in December, around Ashley's birthday. It only happened that time, and it seemed like that it only happens when it's cold outside. So I remember I always had my heater on full blast. So, and I didn't notice it until I was damn near halfway to my destination. Then I had to drive back, so I was scared. Like, damn, is my engine about to blow? Cause I was about to just sit out there. So I don't know. They still running. Still running. So they run for like 5 minutes, and then it shuts off. But that's obviously not good. I hope it's. Oh, I was reading too. They said it could be the thermostat. I need to replace the thermostat to fix it. But for a quick fix, I need to disconnect the negative battery and probably put. I'm assuming it's my coolant. And y'all know, when I'm cold, I'm cold. When I'm hot, I'm hot. So maybe I need to fill this up. There ain't no way that shit should be having my fans coming on acting as if my car's overheating. So I ain't gonna be driving there until I get some coins to really figure out what the fuck is going on. I ain't gonna drive it till I can figure out what's going on. Cause I could damage it further, and I'd rather just have it sit than me having to pay $1 million when it could be an easy fix. Where's the thermostat at? Leave in the comment section down below if you know where a thermostat is at in a 2017 Camaro, RS Camaro. If you know where the thermostat is at. Hi! Yes, my fans is running. And when I cut the car on, the temperature gauge, it stays like at 0. And I just came back from opening, so I don't know if it could be that or a sensor.
Well, the thermostat is normally mounted on one of the top hoses right here, on the radiator hose.
Oh, yeah?
That's where it's normally sitting.
Yeah, I'm no mechanic. I was just researching, like, why was this happening? They said it could be the thermostat, or the coolant could be low, or, like, something is clogging something. And they said to look at the fuses, but I don't know what the hell I'm looking at.
So what's wrong with the car?
Look, when I cut it on, the gauge.
Check your coolant and everything, and the fuses is talking about
Alright, so there's one fuse that says things don't work for nothing. It's working.
But you do have a temperature sensor on the Camaro, and if you have no temperature on it, that's what's probably doing it.
It's
And I
not
just
showing
got an
it's
oil
empty.
change about probably a month ago, so they took all the fluids and stuff.
Yeah, it's the problem with cars though, all these stupid electronics.
I know, it sucks.
Just keep adding and adding to
Right.
Yes.
Folks. I ain't drank my crack yet. About to drink that, head to the gym, and once I get there, I will let y'all know. Boo got me on her little workout. It ain't nothing little. Tired, boss. Alright, everybody, that's the end of this workout. If you made it this far to the end of the video, thank you so much. Please make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, turn on all post notifications. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to watch 6 Wheels Rolling videos now. But thank you to the ones who do watch. I'm out.